Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to call someone in Grindr. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Grindr is basically a dating app for gay people out there where they can find their matches and talk with them. So to call someone in Grindr, you need to basically open the Grindr app. Once you have opened it, you need to simply get logged in into your account, and once you have logged in into your account, simply select the person you want to call. Once you have selected a profile you want to call, all you gotta do is simply go to the match icon and match with them. Like, you need to simply type in something and get them matched with you. Like, they need to have a direct conversation with you. So simply once they have had a conversation with you, simply navigate to the chat interference with that particular profile. Once you are there, you need to simply find the camera icon. Look for the camera icon below the text box, and once you have done that, simply tap on that particular icon and select the video icon and choose the call option. So this will allow you to call that particular person when both of you have initiated a chat on Grindr. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.